I've got the same picture in the Dow Jones and in the Nasdaq on the cash markets. If we come across and look at the NQ, excuse me, let me just take, so the NQ yesterday off the B wave, I've got a 1, 2, we've come up to the 1618, but I think it's the 3 of 3. We're getting a 4, we should come up here. 7280 region is what I'm looking for before a bigger pullback. I don't want to see it below 7105 in the NQ. And in terms of the larger pattern, we've got an A, B, and we need to accelerate up somewhat in the NQ. It's lagging in terms of the compared to the Dow Jones and the ES in relative terms. It's not got as high in this C wave as the others, so I'm looking for this to start to extend a bit to prove that it's firstly going to get over this red line. Below there we can still get a fifth down at a diagonal. The Dow's taken that out, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq have not, so I'd like to see that go, and 74.53 is the ideal target for the Nasdaq, or the NQ rather, to come up to for its A wave before we get a B back down. And then again, same thing, looking for it to hold a retrace fib, bounce off it to confirm that we're going to new highs in the NQ. And then the Dow Jones, so the Dow's taken out this B wave high, which is ideal, and in relative terms it's the strongest, it's the nearest to its 1.0. 26,700 is the level I'm looking for in the Dow. A, B, and we're in the C up already, and within that, again, I think we've just got a squiggle higher to go up here, 26,343. I think what we're seeing is a small 4 of this 3 this morning, then we get the bigger 4, 5 to finish off the pattern before we then pull back in the B wave in the Dow Jones as well.